Jainam Mehta Mr.Y-Ral, your buddy, and I have a new video for you guys. So this one is the Snails sound, and no tutorial because I have my exams going on right now and my parents don't know that I'm here in the studio producing. So without wasting much time, I'll show you the sound, and so playing it in 3, 2, 1, go. So that is the sound, and it's quite easy. Just ignore this huge thing processing chain right here. It's not at all difficult. It's just a saw wave with a static or a still phaser and a little bit of distortion and saturation and stuff and a little bit of reverb. So yeah, so you can download this sound and this project file right here on my Facebook page, which is facebook.com/mr.y-ral. The link is in the description, and leave a like on this video, and yeah, subscribe to me, it would help me a lot. And sorry again for new tutorial, but I hope you guys understand. And yep, thank you guys, see you.